another viewpoint over there, but you can't really see the glacier anymore from that one. You have to go up and above. I'm not going to go any farther because the wind is blowing and it's starting to rain. But that is Exit Glacier, and it's a beautiful glacier. This is the trail. It used to be just a little foot trail. Now they built stairs and all kinds of stuff in here. There's another glacier. Well, that rain's getting here fast. I gotta get the heck out of here. Alright, I got down the trail a little ways so you can hopefully hear. That's Exit Glacier right behind me over here. Anyhow, I figured I'd bring you guys to Seward and show you around. Cute little bridge they built. Used to have to hike down through these ravines. This is where the glacier stripped through at some point. Ripped all the topsoil off down to bedrock. And as you can see, it's raining harder, so I'm going to be soaked by the time I get back. This is the viewpoint a couple miles from the glacier. It's probably the best view of the glacier anymore. That is Exit Glacier, where it goes up into Harding Icefield. One really cool looking Vanagon. Anyhow, I'm gonna go down the road here and drive off onto the old river bar, and I'm gonna camp out down here tonight. So I'll show you guys some video from down there. Well, it is almost 11. It's getting dark. Sunset over here was at 10:05 p.m. I was at a friend's house, hanging out with him. And I came down to where everybody else camps out, down at the river. I'm gonna hop in the van, grab a quick bite to eat, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired. We'll get up tomorrow and do a little touristy stuff. I cheated. Got stuff to make mini tacos. So that's what I'm having for dinner. Didn't feel like cooking tonight. Just wanted to eat something quick, so that's why I'm doing mini tacos. There it is. Mini taco. That's what's for dinner. One light on in there. Figured I'd come out and show you. I took my watch off. It's almost midnight, but this clear sky, it's gonna be gone. It's supposed to rain 2 inches starting later tonight. So. Heater on because it's a little chilly in there. I'm out of here. 6:30 in the morning. It is another beautiful day. How I got this lucky, I'm not sure, because it was supposed to pour all night. But I'm sitting here by the river. There's people parked all around. There's a whole bunch of people came in late last night. Been sitting here listening to the water and the waterfalls. They're all over. Yeah, I'm gonna grab some breakfast. I'm gonna get this day started. This is driving into Seward. There. This is out at the end of Lowell Point. See, it's a beautiful day on the water for now. It's supposed to, there's small craft advisories for this afternoon, so it's gonna kick up pretty good. Yeah, I figured I'd bring you down and show you a little bit of this. This is driving back from Lowell Point, back into downtown Seward. Just drives right along the bay here. There was a big landslide right up here a couple years ago, closed off this road for quite a while. It took them a while to get it cleared, so they were having to run boats to get the kids that live out in the Lowell Point area to school in the mornings and people to work. It was a pretty big operation, but it's just around the corner here. This was a huge pile. And then just down here, I'll film the waterfall again. I know I've got it in another video, but the water level's up quite a bit. Alright, all this material here they take out of this creek. It blows just tons of material out. And it starts to try to overflow this bridge. Where they bring all the material out of. They'll have dozers and stuff down there. I'm getting soaked. Good times. Guess I should have known better. I drove through there a few minutes ago, but I didn't have my window down the first time. Anyhow, they take dozers and excavators down there to keep that clear. And we're back in downtown Seward by the Sea Life Center. Cruise through here. So here's mile 0 of the Iditarod Trail. Right there. It's the official beginning from the original Iditarod. I'll just show you some of the downtown waterfront camping areas. Got pavilions, a little skate park for the kids. Tent camping, that looks like fun in Seward. I lived here, so it rains a lot in Seward. So anybody that's tent camping here runs the risk of getting wet every single night. Sorry about that, it's pretty bumpy. Most of these people are here for salmon fishing and halibut charters. I don't know what it costs to camp down here anymore. It used to be like 20 bucks a night, but I think it's considerably more now. The silver salmon will be here soon. The sockeyes are petered out now. And you can fish right here off the beach, so this is why most of these people are here. I've heard the fishing's pretty slow, so I don't know how they're all doing. I think the population of Seward is like 4,500 people during the winter. It might not even be that much. I'll have to double check and put it on the screen. But during the summer, this place gets packed, especially when the fish are on the beach. There's more campgrounds here. These are all City of Seward campgrounds, so available to camp. Give you a nice shot of my mirror there, sorry. Just holding the camera and driving. The charter boat operates out of. This is right on the edge of the small boat harbor. There's a bunch of stores and restaurants and stuff down here. Hardware store. Kenai Fjords Tours. There. Small boat harbors out there. You can catch tour boats out of there, glacier cruises. All kinds of neat stuff here. Stop and get some gas, and then I'm gonna mosey my way home. That is the price of fuel currently in Seward. So I'm gonna put some of that expensive stuff in my van. Well, that's what 6.3 gallons of fuel costs.